Proof of distributive law: A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Here we have a three variable A, B and C. So 2 power n is equal to 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So we have 8 possible combination: 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Now left hand side, A into B plus C. First we add B plus C. B plus C here, B plus C. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now multiply A with the result of B plus C. 0 multiplied 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied 1 is equal to 0. 1 0 is equal to 0. 1 1 is equal to 1. 1 1 is equal to 1. 1 multiplied 1 is equal to 1. It is left hand side. Now right hand side, AB plus AC. First we multiplied AB, then AC, then result of AB and AC are added. AB 0 multiplied 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied 1 is equal to 0 up to 1 multiplied 1 is equal to 1. Now AC 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied 1 is equal to 0. 0 multiplied 0 is equal to 0 up to 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. In this column the result of AB, and this column the result of AC. And left hand right hand side, AB plus AC. Now we add the result of AB plus with the result of AC. Here AB plus AC. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 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 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. In this column the result of left hand side, and the last column the result of right hand side. Now we check the value of left hand side with the right hand side. 0 is equal to 0. 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 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. It means the result of left hand side is equal to the result of right hand side. So we can say that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Now commutative law for addition and multiplication. The implementation of commutative law with logic gates. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here we have two inputs, A plus B. So we have already studied the logic gates in the previous lecture. The symbol of logic gates of OR gates is A into B. A plus B result A plus B. Similarly, right hand side, B plus A. B is the first variable and A plus A is a second variable. The result is B plus A. Here we put, for example, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Then the result of A plus B is equal to 0. Here we apply inputs. B is equal to 0, A is equal to 0. Then the result of second gates will also be equal to 0. So we can say that A plus B is equal to B plus A. Now AB is equal to BA with respect to multiplication. Here we already studied in the previous lecture the symbol of AND gate. This is the symbol of AND gate. Taking left hand side, A is a first variable and B is a second variable. Now we multiplied through AND gate. A into B, the result will be equal to A into B. The right hand side, B is a first variable and A is a second variable. Now we apply inputs to the AND gate. The result will be equal to BA. Here, for example, the value of A is equal to 1 and the value of B is equal to 0. 1 input and B value 0 input. Then the result will be equal to A, B is equal to 0. Now we apply inputs. B is equal to 0, A is equal to 1. The result will be equal to 0. So we can say that AB is equal to BA. Now associative law for addition and multiplication through logic gates. Here A plus into B plus C is equal to A plus B into plus C. Here A, first we add B plus C, so we apply OR gates. First here B plus C. The result of B plus C are added with a value of variable A, and here a second OR gate, B plus A के साथ A with A, B plus A into B plus C. Now A plus B into plus C. First OR gate, A variable to variable A plus B are added through OR gate. Then second OR gate, the result of A plus B are added with the value of variable C, A plus B into plus C. Now associative law with respect to multiplication. A into BC is equal to AB into C. First multiplied B into C. Then we are needed AND gate. First AND gate are used here, B into C. Then the result of B or C are multiplied with the value of variable A. Then second AND gate are used here. Then the result of A into B, C. Now right hand side, A, B into C. First we multiplied A into B with AND gate. Then the result of A, B are multiplied with the value of C variable. Then second AND gate are used here. Now this result, if we are putting the values of A, B or C, for example A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1. Here B is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. The result is equal to 0. Now multiplied value of A is equal to 0, 0 multiplied is equal to 0, then the result will be equal to 0. Now right hand side, A, B into C. First we multiplied through AND gate A and B. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, then the result is equal to 0. Now multiplied C, value of C is equal to 1. Now multiplied 0 multiplied with 1 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Similarly, implementation of distributive law with a logic gate. Left hand side, here left hand side A into B plus C is equal to right hand side AB plus AC. So we first add B plus C. B plus C are added through logic gate OR. B plus C. Then the result of B plus C are multiplied with A variable. This is